Man, who's Skeng?
Hey boy! Better humble yourself before Buddha for chop off any day, man, I told you.
I go on in Trinidad, me I hear it back at Jamaica, you know.
Protocol, we have 100 chop. Mali get pop, whole place get hot.
Fuck Skeng.
From when you see the intro, you know say a nothing but drama in this update. Kman 6, the man come out and do a IG live. The man basically diss up Skeng in the worst way. So right about now, I even go waste no time. I just go make on the ear when Mr. Lethal, Kman 6 himself, have to say. So viewer subscriber, if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon. Turn on the bell icon so as a video drop, you're the first one to see it.
The best report ASAP BGTV.
So before me go into the Instagram live in which Kman 6 a diss up dancehall artist Skeng, I go show on a video with Poppy 6, basically a train film apps. Yeah man, it look like the man dey on a shooting range and him a lick some target. When I mean by him a lick some target, him basically a knock the AK and him a lick down everyone I am target them. And viewer subscriber, Kman 6 also posted this video on his IG page with the caption, "Get them ready." So you don't know what that mean.
Get them ready.
That look like a headset.
Real fucking boss, you know what the fuck I see here. You see boss.
So right there, so you have Poppy 6 a demonstrate to the sevens them say, yo, if we wall no, I saw we are gonna deal with no. Viewer subscriber, the man name is a target, the man knock down everyone from a distance. And you don't know say it's a AK the man a fire, so the man a show them say, brother, anytime we wall no in the street, I saw we are gonna knock on like how we knock the target them. Because we on straight. So leave your honest opinion in the comment section and make me know what you think about this. So right about now we have Kman 6, Mr. Lethal himself. The man come out and do a IG live where the man talk up a bag of things. And some things where Kman 6 say in other live here have the people them I wonder including me. Cause the man say yo, a bag of man page dancehall artist Skeng and MOBAY viewer subscriber. You don't know it's at BG stage, so more while we not deal with the bag of long talking. We just get straight to the point. So me I go play the video and make on the ear what Kman have to say.
Yo, man, take care of your joke about Skeng and all. Shane, you know, when I perform in Barbados, Shane was over there. Me and Shane was liming. Taking me vibes in listening, some in music, listening, some in my music. That's the thing, innit? Well, something we started to talk about, boy. Alright, yeah. Dog, everything we go on in Trinidad, me I hear it back at Jamaica, innit? He tell me, every time, everything we go on in Trinidad, the news, there's Senator Jamaica, One thing we started to talk about that, he started tell me about, you know, who's this and who's that and thing. I say, man, who's Skeng? I say, Mambo, you ain't put me. I say, what? I say, what? You ain't put me. I say, where you set up, dog? Yeah, me lick a picnic. I say, yeah, I say, me. But I say, but we need more. I can't tell this. I see, yeah, why dog? Why I start to laugh? Yeah, by them, I lick a picnic. Them not do nothing. Them not do nothing in the air. Me, I say, hey, my lick a picnic. See him. He tell him he circle here around, have them feeling like he a bad man, and Shaney boys run out them out of MOBAY or some kind of story like, you know. And I say, boy, all about this, you say that you don't do about this, boy. Like a big day, boy.
So right this on the ear Kman 6 have to say. And for be real viewer subscriber, Kman 6 are the only artist me hear this Skeng so much time and Skeng no reply. Yeah man, anybody in a dance hall with this Skeng a go fire shot off of them brawling. And I feel say Skeng a go diss up Kman 6 in the worst way. Cause you know Skeng stay already. Skeng them no back from nobody. But Kman 6 say a bag of thing in the video have me a wonder. One of the most interesting part when the man say yo, him and Shaney the backstage and Shaney a tell him say don't worry about Skeng, cause Skeng them a little pitney. Skeng them just a par with a bag of thugs and them feel them bad. The badness rub off on him. So if you a subscriber, that even put Shaney in a sticky situation right about now. Why is that? Because you don't know say the Ratty gang them a go pre-Shaney. A long time I don't hear nothing from Shaney still. The last time I see the system did a fight him, but otherwise from that I don't hear nothing more from him. I wonder if him still a do music. No disrespect. But you hear a Kman 6 say Shaney boy them even violate Skeng and run Skeng from MOBAY. I can't confirm that it's alleged. We never see no video of that and we never hear nobody come talk about that, so we can't say that's true. So viewer subscriber, we know Skeng stay and we know Kman 6 stay. Two bad artists them, and right about now I would love to see Skeng drop a song and diss up Kman 6 in the worst way. And when I mean diss up, I don't want to not pre-it the Trini way, no. We are pre the Jamaican way, lyrical war, not the physical war. You don't know say a musical love and when I love man. So viewer subscriber, Skeng did say it in a menace, say a one presidential click, and Skeng done align himself with the presidential click already. So him and Kman 6 now no good or good. So viewer subscriber, I want to leave an honest opinion in the comment section, you know. Make me know what you think about this. The live actually longer than that, but I can't play the full live. You don't know them thing they go. Music did I play in the background, as in Kman 6 a vibes to some song and them thing there. So that's the reason why I'm gonna play the full live. But otherwise from that viewer subscriber might post the live in my Telegram group. Yeah man, I tell you now already, if you have Telegram on your phone and you don't join ASAP BG Telegram group, I waste space, you can delete it from now. Join the group, the link in the description. A bag of buckery, go on over the group there. The only thing I can tell Skeng right about now, him have to just watch himself when him going at the Caribbean, or if him even a touching at the Trinidad. Yeah man, cause the man they take things personal. Him have to just watch himself, watch him surrounding and do them thing there, you see me? And you don't know say yo, we know nothing for them to our artists them. In fact, no artists overall. Cause you don't know say that to the cause of even big eruption. So viewer subscriber a music we are pre another way they want to stay. Lyrical war, no physical war. Big up Kman 6 bad artists. I see my preview a lot of this song for the sevens them. I know him a go corrupt the place. And big up dancehall artist Skeng, the Ratty boss. One of the little youth them we are doing big for Jamaica now, so we have to protect him. You don't know ASAP BG stay say yo, we corrupt as fuck, but we give the youth them credit same way. So watch the style now. Big up on yourself and a viewer subscriber. Stay safe out here and do the right thing.